Clear terminal in Python. Does any standard comes with batteries method exist to clear the terminal screen from a Python script, or do I have to go curses, the libraries, not the words?
A simple and cross-platform solution would be to use either the CLS command on Windows, or clear on Unix systems. Used with OS.system, this makes a nice one-liner.
Use escape sequences.
Simply do a Ctrl+L in Windows, or CMD+L in Mac. It surely is the simplest way of clearing the screen.
As for me, the most elegant variant.
For Windows, Mac and Linux, you can use the following code. James Notjim tested print_033c, end equals, for Mac, and I tested it on Linux and Windows. It doesn't work for Windows, hence the other code that calls CLS. I don't remember who it was I first saw use print_033c, and or the print version, subprocess.run print_033c, shell equals true. Rolliker pointed out that end equals will prevent it from printing a new line afterward. Note that newer versions of Ubuntu will clear the screen just fine, not just scroll down so it seems cleared, with clear, unlike the older versions. Note that resetting the terminal with escape C/033c will make the cursor underlined and blinking. If you don't want that, you can use these codes to change it to another style, tested on GNOME Terminal 3.44.0 using VTE 0.68.0 plus BIDI plus Noodles plus ICU plus systemd. I believe the following code is supposed to clear the content that you have to scroll up to see, but it's difficult to use in conjunction with another command without issues. Print_03333j. This can do the same thing that clear used to do, so you can scroll up to see what was deleted, except it doesn't raise the cursor to the top. Print_03332j.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.